The last bit of lightning was so insane, I have to make just one more brief video. I saw maybe one of the brightest lightnings I've ever seen tonight. Oh man, it was like, it was really, like, it literally, it was just insane. Like, it lit up, it lit all this up. It was like all like a bright blue, like a lighter blue, like a light blue color, if you know what I mean. That was insane. Ooh! It's weird we're getting so much lightning, yet it's not even raining anymore. Ooh! There's a good illustration of what I was talking about. It wasn't as bad, really as bad as that one, but still, that was a close call. That was crazy. Very bright, too. Good thing I got that on camera. You guys saw an example of what I was talking about. I was just waiting for that to come. Tonight's weather is absolutely insane. I say one more good strike and then I'll end the video. Come on, give me something good. At least you guys saw a really bright one over there. That's what I was trying to show you guys. Well, that's what I told you guys about earlier. Even though it was even worse than that, the strike I saw in the house. Anyways, I don't know how much longer my phone has until it dies. So it's probably at like 5 or 4% right now. Got it in the video to save the footage, but yeah. At least you guys saw a really, really good lightning strike in this video, so I'll just go ahead and upload it because the lightning has been pretty good as well. Actually divided this one into 3 parts. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.